Catus, Maximus here, this time with just a little video of this Mac V18T. Pick this up because it's an extremely long bar T handle, 18 inches. Got this to go along with my Mac V18F, which is a pretty heavy duty 18-inch breaker bar with an extension, so you could even use this to have an 18-inch breaker bar, drive an 18-inch breaker bar. Anyway, I just like the idea of this being really long handle. Handle's just a little bit bent, but you can see how that happens when they make such a long handle version. These can be handy because you can get quite a bit of torque just with the anvil in the center, and then be able to spin out your fastener pretty easy. Do like they have a little notch which helps prevent the head from rotating, and allows the bar to sink in just a little bit deeper, so you have a little bit lower profile and improved access. Here I have an old SK, and so this is the length that most of them have been. So this Mac is just super long. I've always kind of liked T-handles, not just for the spinning part or being able to put it in the center, but the fact that they're really rigid. With traditional breaker bars, sometimes this hinge point itself is just a little bit annoying, and you find that when you use fasteners or work with fasteners using a T-bar, it's really pretty nice just because it's a really solid connection. There isn't any way for anything to really flex or move around, so it feels like you're really delivering your force more directly and more effectively. Always like that about the T-handles. One thing I will say about this Mac is it's probably not as good as the Snap-on. Both of these I paid $5 for, luckily enough. This is a Snap-on 15-inch. We can see the Mac is quite a bit longer, but the Snap-on has a bit thicker of a bar, and so that's the one thing I could have recommended for this, or comment on this Mac, is the fact that they should have made the bar just a little bit thicker for a big old long 18-inch one. And the fact that they could have done a little better job. You can see on the Snap-on, that bar sinks in really deep, gives you really low or additional clearance, but the Mac still sticks out just a bit. Anyway, just wanted to make a little video about this T-handle breaker bar and how, yes, at least Mac Tools, some of these companies do make very long handle versions, and I think they're pretty cool. Anyway, really appreciate everybody who's been watching and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Till next time, Catus Maximus out.